Welcome back, family. So today is the 20th day in the month of May, and it's a new week again, a new trading week for us. I'm going to be talking about what we have today, and I'll be looking at our chart. So I was looking at this my close position lately, and I noticed I made a mistake in the previous amount I stated in my last video. I made mention of me losing $17 in the previous week, but that was not correct. So the correct figure is $60.20. So that was what I lost this previous week, I guess this past week. So currently my balance is sitting at $5,890 right now. So I'm just going to head onto our chart and we can talk about what we have or what we're seeing this week. So this is on the AUD USD on the 4-hour time frame, and I've been wanting to go long, so I'm seeing two different things right here on the 4-hour time frame. I can see this liquidity grab right here. I don't know if you guys can see it clearly, but I'm going to just zoom in. So this is a liquidity grab, and aside that, this is another block. So I was hoping on two entries, either on the 15-minute order block, which is right here, that price just reacted to. But another thing again, on the second thought, I was looking at this my liquidity, this the trend line liquidity I'm having right here. So price might just react to this position as it just did and then fall back down again to take out this liquidities right here. So that is why I'm having this my entry at 0.63930. So I'm just going to hold it and see if price will really tap me in to that zone. Good, I can see on the 4-hour time frame that price created this liquidity, so price is just going bearish. So I'm having these two options right here, if ever we gap on this zone and also another on this zone. So on this order, my parallel giant tool, this is my parallel tool right here. I noticed a 1-hour order block, and that was why I have it or had my tool right there. So on the 4-hour time frame, there was something I spotted out again. I spotted out this 4-hour order block, and I believe price will react to that zone. Even if I can't buy around this position, definitely I'm going to be selling around this zone. So I'm still hoping the price will come back down to tap me either around this zone. Then I will know how the price is reacting towards that zone. So on the GBP JPY, I've been looking at going short for some time, right? That was on the last week. If you guys have been following, last week I noticed price had this 4-hour order block, a strong order block. I'm on the 1-hour. I noticed a liquidity grab right there, so that is why I'm having this small entry zone around this point and hoping price will come back there and tap me in and then react to this 4-hour order block right here. So that is my plan, and that is my bias on the GBP JPY. So right on the BTC USD, it has been playing tricks on us. I don't really know when this price is reacting to, but currently price made a liquidity grab on the 4-hour order block, on the 4-hour time frame, and there is an order block here on the 4-hour, but I don't know right now if I should still maintain this my entry position, or should I just move it to the order block on the 4-hour. So that is what I'm going to look at today, and I hope price will just give me what I need. So I'll be coming back tomorrow to tell you guys how the trade played out today, especially the AUD USD trade. We're going to keep it locked in. Stay safe, guys. Peace.
Welcome back, family. So today is the 21st day in the month of May. You know what it is today? I have a bad news and also a good news. That's just it. So the bad news, I'll start with that first. The bad news is I was not able to pass my challenge last week, like I said, and the good news is finally I did in just a single trade. But the trade itself is not yet completed. You are still moving, but I'm just going to show you the my account. This is my account on funding pips current balance 5 $1,403.39. Come on, so this is close position. This morning I was just awake around 2 a.m. and I was looking at the price, just really going bullish here. So I have to just wait and see if I can close manually. So this is it here, user. I closed the trade out manually as myself. So I got a message and this is it. So that's the email I got from Funding Pips and giving me a practitioner account. So that is for the challenge phase 2. So we're on phase 2 right now and let's see how I'm going to go with it. So I have this AUD trade. I cannot still go in again, so I just have to wait and see if I'll have another opportunity in the market. So talking about opportunity, let's head into the chart. So this is on BTC USD, and I said it yesterday that BTC has been playing pegs on us, but no issues as long as you are not in the trade. I'm not getting stopped out, so I'm all good. So if price give me any reason to go short, definitely I'll go short, but for now I'm still heading tall that is bullish. I'm still going bullish. So looking at GBP JPY, GBP is doing a whole lot of mess right here. So since last week, I think it has been consolidating around this zone and no real movement, no push, no liquidity grab. Let's just wait and see how it's going to play out. So that's just the thing here in trading. So right on the XAU which is our so cherished gold, we can see price is heading for that other block on the 4-hour time frame. Yeah. Secondly, I'm having this little doubt that price might just get into that place and then retrace back immediately. I'm having that doubt right there. So I'm thinking that price might just get there and then play as any kind of liquidity. Yeah, you should have the liquidity around that zone because it's obvious that everybody is having their position at that point. So definitely the real men there, the real men that are in the game want to like take some people out of the market, thereby grabbing liquidity. So I just believe price might just get into that zone and then cause a kind of havoc before tripping down. So there's another thing again to look out for. I believe market structure has changed kind of because there was a liquidity sweep right here and then you can see this is like a W pattern and price made this market structure shift. So have that in mind too. So I'm just going short here if need be and then that's just it for today on gold. So on AUD USD I'm still going bullish and the chart is really going slow this time around, and anytime chart is going slow like this, it's kind of a warning. You understand? It's like a warning. So I don't know if I'll still hold till this point or I might just reduce my take profit zone to this this level. Let me just wait and see how price reacts towards or around this zone, then I'll know if I should hold or I should just close out. So that is it for today. I'll be coming back tomorrow again to tell us about the AUD trade and some other pairs that we just looked at now. Peace guys, enjoy your day. Bye. Welcome back family. So today is the 22nd day in the month of May. I know what we're doing today. We're going to take our daily analysis and know what's going to happen. First of all, let's head over to our account, our newly practitioner account on Funding Pips. So this is what is playing out currently on gold. The gold trade I talked about yesterday. I'm currently on just a little profit, $9, and it's still floating. So let's just go back to the chart and see how it's like here. So on the BTC USD, we can see that price is just tanking up. Like I said yesterday, just going bullish and bullish due to this liquidity grab I spotted earlier. But price refused to drop down and pick us in. And so we can join the flow, but all good, we're still good, price is still bullish, and yeah, so that's just it on BTC USD. So guys, this is on the GBP JPY and you can see how price is just sinking below this level, just going towards this H4 order block, which is the 4-hour order block. So those I spotted two things out. Below this other block right here, there is two liquidity graph. This is the first one on the 4 hour. You can see it clearly, liquidity graph. Let me just take it to the middle. You can see liquidity graph so clearly. Price took out this other high with just a week. So that is a clear liquidity graph right there that caused this bullish movement. But bear in mind that if a liquidity graph happens somewhere like this, just know that price cannot get past that zone. Price can trade outside this zone only if there is something like this on the other end. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. If there is a liquidity grab like this on this other end, that is only when price can react and maybe take out this other liquidity right there. So just that aside, we're going to look at the 1 hour time frame, and there is another liquidity again I spotted out on the 1 hour time frame. So this is it on the 1 hour time frame. You can see how clean it is. This is how the liquidity graph look like. This is it, a week taken out this other week. So that is that on the 1 hour time frame. And over to the 15 minutes time frame, let's just say something right there. So this is on the 15 minutes time frame. I'm going to show you guys something really interesting right now. So this is on the 15 minutes time frame, and I noticed two liquidity grab, one that happened here, and secondly, this is another liquidity grab. You can see this, you can see this wick taking out this other high right here. So right now I'm just believing, or I'm anticipating that price might just get into this other block on the 15 minutes and then take us back up again. So that is just my own view in the market, or my own bias. So you can do your own and know if it's really worth it. So all these are liquidity, so I just believe price will take us in on this other block right here on the 15 minutes time frame and then go back up again. So that is what I see on the GBP JPY. So looking at the gold, on the 4 hour, price is just reacting to the zone, but I made mention of price not maybe holding there too long. So you have to be careful and you have to work with maybe a trail stop or maybe a break even or something. So I'm still going to work with that too, because I don't really trust this zone that much, but I'm still a bit confident in it. I don't know how I'm going to explain that, but I'm still holding though. I'm still holding. So right on the AUD, I talked about price misbehaving at this point, and price was going slow if you watched my video yesterday. So that was why I had to stop out. And on the 4 hour time frame, I noticed price took away this high right here, causing this liquidity grab. There is a bearish good looking candle right here, so I don't know, maybe price might just continue, but if price leaves a gap, that is a fair value gap, then definitely price might just keep going downward. So that is that on the AUD. So thank you guys, and I'll be back again tomorrow to talk about how the trade went. I'll be back in the morning, so stay safe guys and enjoy your day. Bye. Welcome back family. So today is the 23rd day in the month of May. And this is just 7:34 a.m. Let's head into the chart and see what we have for today. So before the chart, let's just look at our account on Funding Pips, which is our second phase challenge account. Based on the closed position what we did last time, which was yesterday, we just came out in a little profit, though it's okay, it's not little, it's good, but it's break even. So this is a break-even trade that ended in just $81.48, and we're going again today. We keep rolling. So hopefully we'll pass this challenge either today or maybe on Tuesday or Wednesday. Yeah, hopefully. So back to the chart. We can see the rise in Bitcoin. We can see how Bitcoin has been going up so much, and there is no entry for us, and we can't just chase the market. We can't just jump in. So we have to just calm down and wait till we find something suitable for our strategy. So come on, let's head over to GBP JPY. I've been looking at the GBP JPY, and I noticed that price is still coming down a bit shy. It's still coming down. So what happened there was just a retracement, and this is a downtrend kind of. I talked about the 15 minutes gap, and I'm still waiting on that zone to see how it's going to play out. So let's just keep that one locked in. So on the gold, I talked about something yesterday. If you guys watched my video, so if you're not following me, please try to follow me, and if you're not in our group, try to join the group so that you can get this trade as soon as possible before I come out to make video explaining them. So this trade right now, I talked about the trade not going too far because of the bigger people trying to grab liquidity. So I believe that is what is going to happen right now. So I'm just holding at this zone, just at the peak of this H4 order block. I'm just holding around there, hoping that price will tap me in and then call short again. So I don't know what's going to happen. Let's just see and hope it's for the best. So right on the AUD price had this liquidity grab on the 1 hour time frame. I talked about that yesterday, and there was a push downward. And secondly, again, there was a liquidity grab on the 1 hour time frame. This is it on the 1 hour time frame, and I don't know, maybe price is just reacting to this 1 hour time frame. So but for me, I'm trying to work with the 4 hours. And if you look, there's a 1 hour order block right here. I'm working with the favor look up here, and that's just it. So I don't know where price want to react to, but I'm not in a rush. Anywhere price reacts to is fine as long as I'm doing the right thing. So that is how I'm going to keep this account alive. I'm not going to jump into any trade, just a random trade, and feel it's the best. So thank you guys for watching. I'll be coming back here again next week, and we'll be looking at the stats. We'll be knowing how the trade played out for this week and what we achieved so far. Thank you. Peace. Enjoy your day. Bye.